What is covered here, no? It's quite unique. You have tourist placing stones on top of each other, like this one, no? Part of a ritual. A lot of a lot of stones here na they're placed on top of each other. This one also. Nagtaka ka, no? And then we are here very what you call that, geologic marble wonder in Jordan. So you go out, no, there, parang bumuka yung lupa. Two high walls. At kanina na-observe ko talaga yung mga stones pinapatong-patong. No? That's some prayer ritual or good luck charm. This is Wadi Rum in Jordan. So you go out. It's a deserted area. One of the driest part of Jordan, if not the entire Arabian Peninsula. Hanap tayo ng mga pinatong-patong dito. Yan, no?